Bharati with your mentor Vilas Sarkar. In this chapter, we will move from the problem number 41 in binomial series. So let's start. As because we are at the end of the session of binomial series, I will move a bit faster and from the next chapter we'll start a new subject on mathematics or physics if possible. So probably I'll start a mathematics subject because presently I am working with my daughter regarding the probability and that I wish to take it up. Okay. And one more declaration, there may be a difficulty to continue for some time these classes. I don't mean to say that I will at a stretch will miss all the classes. There may be possibilities intermittently I won't get chance to make videos as because some disturbances is going on in my personal life. So but I don't say that I will stop this channel completely. I will definitely continue after stabilizing. It may take 2 or 3 months altogether, and then after I will continue with a new you can say energy and with more conviction, you can say. So now on that note, let me start the class with a problem. This problem will be of number 41 in the expansion of 1 plus x all to the power n. The binomial coefficients of 3 consecutive terms are respectively 220, 445 and 792, then find n. Okay, so let me assume this is solution. Let me assume the terms be r plus 1 and r plus 2. 3 consecutive terms is said. So starting from any term, the next term will be plus 1, then the next to that will be r plus 1, another plus 1. So TR will be as per the rule n minus 1 r. This will be the binomial coefficient, and along with that x r minus 1 will come. TR plus 1 will be NCR x to the power r, and T r plus 2 will be NC r plus 1 x to the power r plus 1. So this will be 3 terms, and the binomial coefficients are this and this. Okay, now these are said to be NC r minus 1 is said to 20. This is your first equation. NCR is equal to 495, which is your second equation, and third is NCR plus 1, that is equal to 792, will be third equation. So from there, if I, as per the earlier few problem, I think one problem I solved of this kind. So what we did there, we have taken 2 by 1 first, then 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So if I do 2 by 1, what will get? This divided by this, NC r by NC r minus 1, that is equal to 495 by 220. And the second one is NC r 3 by 2, NCR plus 1 by NCR, that is equal to 792 by 495. So I don't need any further. So out of this, you see N and R, the R is only the means unknown, and you will get two equations. So they are mostly possible that we will get the answer. So NCR by this is equal to factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r, and this will go up, topple up. So this kind of thing will come up. So n minus r minus 1 into r minus 1, both are factorial, divided by factorial n. So this will remain, okay. And along with that, this fraction if we divide by 11, 4, 5, 11, 2, 0, further 9, 5, sorry, 9, 5, 4. So this will be 9 by 4. Now reduce it, n cancelled out, n minus r, so this will be higher one. So this will be cancelled, r minus 1 is lesser r. So at the n minus r, I am dividing this by this. So the term was at the top NCR by NCR minus 1, no? So this will be anyhow, plus 1, sorry, I made a mistake because n minus r and this sign will change, okay, anyhow. So this n minus r plus 1 will be there and below r will be there. So this will give n 9 by 4, okay. So this is no need further. So this is my final equation, and here if I do the calculation, what will get? Factorial r plus 1, and this is n minus r minus 1, and if we do topple of this one, factorial r will be at the top, n minus r will be at the top, and factorial n, and this will be cancelled out. Probably there for 495 I am getting 11, 5 and 9, isn't it? 11 first we did with 11, then after 5 you get 9. So 792 probably 55 will not be factor of this because this is having 2 at the end. So what could be the possibility if I club with this 2? So 99 if I multiply with 8 to 7, yes, this is coming. So with the 99 it will be how much? How much is it? 8. With the 99 it is 5. So this will be 99. Yes, 5. So, 8 by 5. 8 by 5. So what else it will be there? Factorial will come out. At the top, n minus r will be higher value, n minus r. And below it will be r plus 1. So this will be another equation, n minus r and r plus 1, 8 by 5. So clear all this. From there, if I multiply 5n minus 5r is equal to 8r plus 8. From there I will get 5n, and you will take it 8 this side, this will be 8 plus 5, 13r. Okay, and if you calculate this, 4n minus 4r plus 4, it will be 9r, or 4n plus 4 is equal to 13r. So this is also 13r, so you can equalize 5n minus 8. So from there, if I take n one side, so you will get 5n minus 4n, n is equal to 8 will come this side, is equal to 12. So n value is needed here, so n is equal to 12. Understand? Okay, move to the next problem. 42. In the second this similar problem A, find A if 7th 18th of the expression are equal. Find, this is the last lesson. Let me choose okay. I will not take this. This is a similar kind. Otherwise, this is 17x cube. Okay, if the coefficients of fifth, sixth, and seventh terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n are in AP, then what is n? Okay, so this is a different problem. So for now, if AP is not known to you, although I have taught you in my one of video, I remember AP is a series, that means AP represents arithmetic progression. So any progression where there could be two possibilities: either the successive term are in some ratio. If it is maintaining the same ratio in successive terms from the previous terms, then it is called the geometric progression. And if the differences of the two consecutive terms are same in a series, then it is called the AP series, the arithmetic progression. So if I say there are three terms A, B, C in series, as per the definition, the difference between the consecutive terms, this is consecutive to this, A and B are consecutive, and B and C are consecutive. So if I say as per the definition of the AP, B minus A is how much? It's equal to C minus B is that much only, and this is a constant value for all the consecutive terms. Let's say we are denoting it by common difference. This is called in AP. We will learn AP in means elaborate way, but as of now, for basic, this is called the common difference, where common difference is nothing but the difference between the two consecutive terms of that series, and if maintains the same, then it is called the arithmetic progression. Now, how can I represent this B and A with D? B minus A is D, so B is equal to A plus D. Similarly, C minus B is equal to D, so C is equal to B plus D. Now, again B is equal to A plus D, so A plus 2D. Okay, so now if I see this, so it is nothing but if I say what is relation between, this is the one way of representing this. Other way of representing this is, as we are saying that B minus A is equal to C minus B, we can say, if I bring B together, so that means the two extreme terms, if I add, I will get the twice of the middle term. So this is one way of representing. So here I will use this, you can say the formula. This formula is for arithmetic progression, as because it said the three consecutive terms. Here this is three consecutive terms of AP. So we can say the double of the sixth term will be the addition of fifth and seventh terms as per this rule, because A and C are the extreme terms 5 and 7, and B be the middle terms. So if this follows the rule for AP, so this will follow for this also. So with that concept, what is following? The coefficient of this. Now here coefficient is nothing but, because the terms are 1 and x, the coefficient will be only the binomial coefficient. That's also we can assume. So the T5, the coefficient will be I can write the coefficient for T5. I am not looking after this x, so I need not to write. So only I will write coefficient of T5. So T5 will be n, is the highest power is n, C, one less than 5 is 4. Similarly, for T6 will be NC6, and this for T7 will be NC5, and this will be NC6. So these are the three coefficients, and these are in AP. So 2 of NC5 is equal to NC4 plus NC6. Okay. Now you can solve it. 2 into NC5 means n into factorial n, by here it is factorial 5 into factorial n minus 5, and equal to factorial n by factorial n 4 into factorial n minus 4, okay, plus factorial n factorial 6 into factorial n minus 6. So this will be the case. Now if we reduced by solving the coefficients further, what we will get? N all will be cancelled out because n cannot be 0. So 2 into here, what we can do? The maximum is factorial 6. So if I multiply all by factorial 6, what I will get? Here, if I initially I am writing multiplied with factorial 6. This is my first step of solving this. So what we will do? Factorial 6, if I multiply there, it will remain with 6 here. Remaining n minus 5 will be there. Remaining terms I am leaving as it is. Here it will be factorial 4 means 6 into 5 will be there. So 4 will cancel out. N minus 4 will be there as factorial. And the term here factorial 6 means nothing will be there. This is 1 upon n minus 6 factorial. So this is first step. In next step, what I will do? I will multiply with the maximum of this. The maximum is n minus 4 factorial. Okay. If I multiply all this n minus 4, so this will be n minus 4 at the top. So 12 into n minus 4 will be there at the top. N minus 5 next to this term, because n minus 4 into n minus 5 will be give you n minus 5 factorial. So this will cancel, this n minus 5 will be cancelled. So remaining at the top this much. Here if I multiply, this will be cancelled, this will be 30 then, and plus then n minus 6 I will get n minus 4 into n minus 5 will be there, and the next is n minus 6 will be cancelled out. So this term will be there, n minus 4 into n minus 6. So this will be the ultimate equation that we have to solve. Now by seeing this, you can see here 2n is coming, which will be multiplied. So it will be a quadratic equation. So solve it. So this will be 12n minus 4 12 48 is equal to 30 plus n square 4 and 6, it will be 10n, 4 and it will be 24. So all together if I bring all this in one side, this will be 12n, 22n, 78 plus 24. How much? 78 plus 24, 102 I think. 70 plus 20, 90, 90 at 102. Okay, this is 0. This will be plus, plus, plus and plus. Okay, fine. So now how do you get this factorized? 102 means how we can bring 22. If I cancel it by 2, this will be 51. 51, then is 3 into 17, and 2 is there, 2 into, so 102 is 6 into 17, 6 and 17, 23. So this will not solve your purpose. So this is 12 for 12 and minus 4. I am checking whether I did right or not. This was factorial 6, so 6 will be there, 4 factorial 5 will be there, this and this is okay. Then n minus 4, this is, and okay, fine. 24 minus 4, this is 12, 22. So 6 into 17 is coming. So this cannot be factorized, whether it can be factorized 6, 17, 23. 6 into 17, So this is 34 minus 3, this cannot be done. Now real solution is coming. Coefficients of NC5, 2 into NC5 is equal to NC4 plus NC6. Okay, so this let me check once. This is I'm multiplying with factorial 6, it is coming 6, it is 6 and 4 because factorial 4 will cancel, factorial 6 will be there, so this is okay. Now next I will multiply n minus 4, so n minus 4 factorial, n minus 5 will be cancelled, n minus 4 will be there, I am doing n minus 4, so n minus 4, n minus, oh sorry, n minus 5, the next will be n minus 5, not n minus 6, because n minus 6 will be cancelled. Oh, here I made a mistake. So 4 plus 5 it will be 9, 9n, and this will be 20. Sorry, I made a mistake. It took a bit time. Okay, anyhow, so n square, and then this will be 21n, and the next will be how much? 78 plus 20, 98, sorry, 98. So now 98, if I calculate 2 into 49, so this is equal to 2 into 7 into 7. So this is, I think, can be possible. 2 into 7, 14 plus 7, okay. So or this will be n minus 14 one, another is n minus 7 another. So this could be a factor. So now n could be 14 or n could be 7. Now if I take n is equal to 7, so I will get up to 8 terms, so this is possible, this answer is possible. Also 14 if I take, this is automatically these terms will be possible. Okay, so both the answer are possible for this case. Okay, I cannot eliminate any of the term. So in this, if n value is 14 also, this will follow AP series, n value is 17 also, then also 5, 6, 7 also possible to follow the AP series. Both are real solution, I mean to say. Okay, so we'll move to the next problem, that is problem number 43. So 43, the fourth term in the expression is 5 by 2 the value of n and p. Okay, fine. The next is if fourth term in the expression is of px plus 1 by x whole to the power n is 5 by 2, find n and p. So only one condition, you have to find both the constraint. Options are given, so let us try first without choosing the option, okay, if it is possible or not. So now fourth term, that means T4 of the expression, now its total term after calculating this up to this, if the fourth term in the expansion of this is 5 by 2, fourth term in the expansion, okay, fine. So T4 is equal to NC3 first term whole to the power n minus 3, second term whole to the power 3. Okay, now it is said to be 5 by 2. By seeing that, we can automatically say one thing is clear, so there is no x in it. If the total term is said to be a constant, so definitely there is no variable. So there is one clue I can get from this information. So we can say that x power is 0 in the term if result is constant, isn't it? Because this is constant, no? So from there, if I take out x power, so x power is n minus 3 and this again minus 3. So this is equal to x to the power 0. So n is equal to, automatically I got the answer. So now the next is very easy. What you have to find? P. So now n is 6, so 63 p to the power n is 3. This is the value of this term is equal to 5 by 2, because this, if it is the t4th term, this is represented by this, and x I know is 0. I need not to calculate by putting n is equal to 6. Automatically it will be 0. N value is equal to 6 here, so 6 C3, and p will be, if I put n is equal to 6, it will be minus 3, so p to the power 3. So this will be the case. So p cube will be 5 by 2, and this will divide by nc. So nc3, if I divide, so factorial 6, and this will topple up factorial 3, factorial 3. So now you cancel it out. How much? 5 into 1 will be expanded, 3 into factorial 2. Factorial 2 means 2 into 1. Factorial 3 will cancel out bottom, and there will be 2 into 6 into 5 into 4, and factorial 3 will be cancelled out. So what is the remaining? 5 will be cancelled out, 2 will be cancelled out, 3 2s are, so nothing will remain there at the top. In the bottom, what will be there? 2 into 4, 8. So p cube is equal to 1 by 8. So you can understand what will be the p then. P is equal to half. So this will be the answer. This is a bit tricky because one clue is not given. By seeing the term, you have to understand what is to be taken from that clue, the result. Okay. So I will leave it here. The next I will move from number 44. Okay. Thank you for now.